footage. So this is the Medellin street market over here. They got a nice little, look at that, look at delicious. Oh man, look at that. Ooh, el corazón cayó. Look at that. I got all the healthy foods. Everybody's in line too. It's a big line of people out here.
ColombiaTips.com is the only site where you can chat and meet in person some of the sexiest women in Colombia. These sexy ladies can safely guide you through the city and Colombia's nightlife. You can feel safe knowing every girl has been verified with passport, state identification, and home address. ColombiaTips.com, your sexy companion awaits.
Alright, so I'm in Parque Lleras right now. It's a Saturday night, it's about 10 o'clock. Decided to come and have a couple, maybe one beer. I drank enough last night, but you know, let's go see what this Parque Lleras is. Now, the Parque Lleras, for those that don't know, is about 2 blocks away from Parque Lleras.
And some pretty good ones.
Oh yeah, well, I got a party going on over there, huh? It's a nice little place here called Matriarch. I've been there one time. It's pretty nice.
I've never eaten there.
Nah, it's all right. The food's okay. Look at this. Ooh, this is really good footage. Oh, this is nice. Good little location here. Okay.
And it's super cheap.
It's really cheap.
Super cheap. You want to spend money, right?
Yeah, carpenters.
Not just
That one was a little bit. So this spot right here, I think it's called, well, it used to be La Fonda or something, but now they changed it to La Ruana, but it's a cool spot to bring your Colombian chick. It's where a lot of Colombians party. Yeah. Yeah, it's fun in there, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Hey. Yeah, everybody's waiting. What is this? Oh, it's another club right here. This is La Fonda. It's not bad. How you doing? That's Snoop Dogg. That's not bad. That's a new donut shop. That's nice. Now we're rolling up to Parque Lleras.
You would go up and roll around?
No, it's right there. Tienda Licores.
We go there, the place next door.
There's an, yeah, that one's good too. The one next door. He knows. It's nice. Which one is that? Oh yeah, I haven't been in there in a long time, but
You can meet girls anywhere. No guarantees or anything.
yeah, I guess you're right. It's whatever. I don't care, bro.
Just come over here.
Hola. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. I love this shit because they see you as a white guy and they don't even look at me. They're like, this guy, I'm Colombian, but they really look at you. This place is always packed. This place is always packed. So true.
You'll see everybody if you just hang out one spot.
ColombiaTips.com is the
You
only
ain't lying,
site
it's so
where you can
small here.
chat
You
and
just
meet
hang
in
out,
person
that's
some of the
it.
sexiest women in Colombia. These sexy ladies can safely guide you through the city and Colombia's nightlife. You can feel safe knowing every girl has been verified with passport, state identification,
nice.
and home address. ColombiaTips.com, your sexy companion awaits.
You said working, but not too obvious. I was dating this. She really let herself go. I was so fucking upset. I ain't seen her in like 2 or 3 years, and she would just really let herself go. No rap.
We kept I got a boyfriend and tell me it's okay. I ain't calling you back at 10 to do whatever you got to fucking do. The issue with the
That's a lot of police officers. These guys. Trying not to get you in this video, and you keep on getting in. All right, fellas, it's coming to the end of the show here. I hope you liked the video here on 70th Street. The undercover parties of 70th Street, man. I tell you, have a great time here in Medellin. Hope to see you soon. ColombiaTips.com for all your courses, culture, basically advice, tips, and everything. ColombiaTips.com. See you on the next one.